Is your Toshiba TV giving you trouble? Maybe it's frozen, running slow, or just not working the way it used to. Don't worry, you're not alone. Toshiba TVs, like any electronic device, sometimes run into glitches, crashes, or performance issues. But the good news is, there's a solution. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Toshiba TV back to its factory settings, step by step. This guide works whether you own a Toshiba Smart TV, a standard LED model, or even a Toshiba Fire TV edition. By the end of this video, your TV will feel brand new, just like the day you brought it home. So grab your remote, or just use the TV buttons, and let's get started. Step 1. Why reset your Toshiba TV visual? TV lagging, apps not opening, blurry menus, buffering Netflix screen. Before we jump into the reset process, it's important to understand why a reset can help. Over time, TVs, just like smartphones and computers, can slow down. Apps may crash, software may glitch, and the TV might even freeze or restart on its own. Here are the most common reasons people reset their Toshiba TV. If your Toshiba TV keeps freezing in the middle of movies or games, a reset clears temporary errors and restores smooth performance. Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video may stop loading properly. Sometimes they buffer endlessly or crash when opening. A reset refreshes the system, giving apps a clean environment to run. Maybe you changed picture or sound settings, and now the screen looks too dark, the audio is distorted, or nothing seems right. Resetting brings everything back to factory defaults. If you're planning to sell, gift, or move your TV, resetting ensures your personal data, Wi-Fi credentials, and app logins are completely wiped for privacy. Just like clearing cache on a phone, a factory reset clears stored files and temporary data that could be slowing down the system. After a reset, your TV won't remember your Wi-Fi network, installed apps, or any login details. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password, sign back into Netflix, YouTube, and other apps, and adjust the picture and sound settings again. Think of a reset as giving your Toshiba TV a fresh start. Step 2. Prepare before reset visual. Remote on table, router in background, user writing down Wi-Fi password. Before resetting, let's make sure you're fully prepared. Here's a checklist. If your remote is working, resetting will be very easy through the menu. If the remote doesn't work, look for the physical buttons on your Toshiba TV. Most models have them on the side or bottom panel. After a reset, your TV will disconnect from Wi-Fi. Having your password handy will save you time. Write down or remember logins for apps like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, and Prime Video. You'll need them again. Don't unplug or turn off the TV during reset. Make sure your power source is stable to avoid incomplete resets. Once you've got these ready, you're good to move on. Step 3. Reset via menu settings visual. Screen recording of Toshiba TV, navigating through menu. The easiest way to reset your Toshiba TV is by using the settings menu. Here's the step-by-step guide. Grab your remote and press the menu button. Use the navigation keys to go to settings. Depending on your TV model, you'll see either device preferences or system. Select that. Scroll down until you find reset or factory reset. Select erase everything and confirm. Your TV will then shut down and restart. This can take several minutes, so don't panic if it looks like nothing is happening. Just give it some time. Step 4. Hard reset without remote visual. User unplugging TV, pressing and holding power button, Toshiba logo appearing. But what if your remote doesn't work, or your TV is frozen and not responding at all? You can still reset it using the built-in buttons on the TV. Here's how. Unplug the TV from the wall socket. Locate the power button on the TV. Press and hold the button firmly. While holding the button, plug the power cord back into the socket. Keep holding the button until you see the Toshiba logo on screen. This method forces the TV into a hard reset mode. It's a lifesaver when your TV won't cooperate with the remote. Step 5. Reset Toshiba Fire TV Edition Visual. Fire TV interface, settings, device, and software reset. If you own a Toshiba Fire TV Edition, the reset process looks slightly different because it's powered by Amazon's Fire OS. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Device and Software. Select Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm by pressing OK. The Fire TV will restart and reset itself completely. This is especially useful if your Fire TV apps keep crashing or the interface becomes too slow. Step 6. After the reset visual, fresh Toshiba setup screen, Wi-Fi login screen, reinstalling apps. Once your Toshiba TV reboots, you'll be greeted with the setup screen, just like when you first unboxed it. Here's what you'll need to do. Reconnect to Wi-Fi by entering your password. Sign back into your streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video. Adjust your picture settings, sound preferences, and any parental controls. And that's it. Your TV is now fully reset and ready to perform like new. And there you have it. That's how you reset your Toshiba TV to factory settings, step by step. Whether you have a smart TV, a regular LED model, or a Fire TV edition, now you know all the reset methods. If this guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.